In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create department in Gusto. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Gusto account and you are on the main dashboard. Creating departments is a helpful way to organize employees by team, function, or location. It can also make reporting and internal tracking cleaner, especially as your company grows. First, look for the People section in the main navigation. Click People to open your employee area. Once you are on the People page, go to the top of the page and click More. This is where Gusto groups additional options related to employee organization. In the menu that appears, click Department. This will take you to the Departments area where you can view any existing departments and manage them. Next, choose Add Department. This starts the setup process for a new department. Now you will enter the department name. Type the name exactly the way you want it to appear throughout Gusto. For clarity, use a consistent naming style that matches how your company refers to teams, such as using full department names rather than abbreviations. This helps avoid confusion later when you are assigning employees or reviewing information. After naming the department, you will add employees. You will see a drop-down where you can select employee names. Open the drop-down and choose the employees who belong in this department. Take your time here and ensure you are selecting the correct people, especially if you have employees with similar names. If you are not ready to assign everyone right away, you can still proceed and update the department membership later from the same area. Once the department name is set and the right employees are selected, finish by clicking Save. After you save, the department will be created and appear in your department's list. From there, you can confirm the details and make changes whenever needed. That covers everything you need to know.